Hello everyone, thank you for your continued support, because of which our journey that started on 15th August 2020 has reached so far.
And we are close to 1000 subscribers. So thank you to all of you.
But like all good things, even our this series need to end.
And don't worry, not for long. It is just a break so that we can rethink, reimagine and come back fresh.
Yes, we know our content lacked in few areas and failed to keep you engaged throughout our video. So this break is necessary for us to educate ourselves and come up with a more informative, engaging and entertaining way to create content for you.
But before we take a break from this season of D for Data Center, one last time, let's begin the episode and set contest for the next season.
So let's begin.
Hello everyone, he is Pranav Shah.
He is Nitin Manwani.
Welcome you to the last episode of Season 1 of
D for Data Center by MSP TV. In today's episode, we like to share with you what we have shared in past 11 episodes in parts and the components of data center.
So the main components of data center are computing hardware, consist of computing units and data storage devices, racks where DC hardware is typically mounted,
Technology infrastructure consists of network and security devices, connectivity mainly optic fiber cables, facility building for a construction and assembly of data center.
site. A data center requires a site with a connection to grids, networks and physical infrastructure. Power. Each machine in a data center may be dual power provided with data center having multiple grid connections. Cabling system. A system for managing the great length of cables that connect each machine in a data center to power, networks, devices and resources.
UPS, uninterruptible power source system that provides protection from short power outages and unstable power supply surges. EPS, energy production system, a system of backup power such as generator with a few storage. It is also common for data centers to have a solar panel system on the rooftop or a nearby. Environmental control, system for cooling hardware and providing heating, ventilation, air conditioning, humidification and dehumidification for a facility.
Fire protection. Active systems for fire protection such as smoke detector and fire sprinkler system. Meet me room. An area for telecommunication companies to physically connect their networks and exchange traffic. And last, physical security. Data centers are designed with few windows and features such as man-traps for access control. They are typically monitored with cameras and may have on-site security guards.
You might be wondering why we are recapping what we have already shared. It is because in our next season you will learn about all these components in the tab and we'll also share option available in this market.
And that is all from our side for today's episode. But before we sign off, we would like you to introduce to the new series which will be coming on our MSP TV from next week.
Yes, as said, after an end, there is always a new beginning. So we introduce to you our own Dr. Ants, and he will be coming next week and he will share expertise from his lab.
So don't forget to watch Dr. Amps in the new series Dr. Amps Lab by MSP TV.
We hope you like this video and find this information useful. If yes, then like always, please like and share this video.
And if you want to know more about our services, call us on 9696086262 or send an email to info@msplgroup.com or visit www.msplgroup.com, and in comment section do let us know, are you excited to meet Dr. Amps?
You can also connect with us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Links are in the description. And please subscribe our channel and support us. Don't forget to watch Dr. Amps from next week.
Thank you.